Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find startup apps with Autoruns step by step. Autoruns is a powerful Microsoft Sysinternals tool that displays every application configured to start automatically with Windows, making it easy to identify programs that affect your startup time. So let's get started. First, open Autoruns on your Windows computer and allow it to run with administrator privileges if prompted. When the application launches, it will automatically scan your system and collect startup entries from multiple Windows locations. Next, wait for the scan to finish. Once it's complete, you'll see a list of startup items organized into categories such as Logon, Services, Scheduled Tasks, Explorer, and many more. For most applications that start when you sign in, begin by selecting the Logon tab. Now, browse the list and review details such as the entry name, publisher, image path, and description. These details help you identify what each startup application does and whether it's from Microsoft or another software developer. If you're looking for a specific application, use the Find feature or the Search option to locate it quickly. You can also click an entry to open its file location, view its properties, or search online for additional information. Once you've identified the startup apps you want to review, you can decide whether to leave them enabled or temporarily disable unnecessary ones by clearing their checkboxes. Just be careful not to disable Windows system components unless you're certain they're not required, and that's it. You now know how to find startup apps with Autoruns and review the programs that launch automatically with Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next